Hey, what's up? Say you wanna drastically increase the contrast of your photo. Let's first duplicate it. Control plus J to duplicate your layer. Then let's go to Filter, Add High Pass. And what this effect does, it increases the details in your image. So say 4.8 and click OK. And here for the blending mode, let's select hard light. And so this is before and after the effect. Now let's go at some more contrast. So choose a levels adjustment layer. Now from the preset menu, let's click it and choose increase contrast 2. Let's move this slider for the grays a little bit to the left. Add some more to the blacks by moving this slider to the right. And let's also increase a little bit more the whites. Let's close this window and let's add a curves adjustment layer, and from the preset menu let's choose lighter to lighten everything up, but let's decrease the contrast a little bit. So this is before and after. Maybe let's set the opacity to 20% or 30. 24. Let's now add a selective color adjustment layer. So click here. From the colors menu, select yellows. And let's lower down the yellows, because we maybe want a little bit of less yellows. And this is before and after, it's just maybe minus 30. Let's go to the reds. Let's increase the magenta a little bit. Maybe about 10. Then let's go back to the levels adjustment layer. Now let's duplicate it and select default to reset it to the default settings, and let's choose increase contrast 1. Or maybe increase contrast 2. Lower down the opacity a little bit to 87, 90. I think this looks cool. So let's click the top layer, hold shift, and let's click layer 1 to select all the layers except the background layer. Control plus G on your keyboard or click right here on this folder icon to create a group layer with all our lighting adjustments. If we click right here on this eye icon, we can see what the image looked before, and click it again to see the final result. Thank you for watching.